It's not even good text. It's like, hey, what's up? What's up? Not much. Like, just ridiculous texting that I've learned to not do anymore.
At her worst, Eni Levic was sending 100 text messages a day, 4,000 in a single month. Then the pain started.
I started like losing feeling in my hands and they'd go numb, and I'd be going to pick up dishes and things and they would just fall out of my hands.
Doctors diagnosed Annie, who's a junior at Stevenson High School, with carpal tunnel syndrome. So severe, braces and cortisone injections aren't enough. She'll have to undergo surgery. Annie's mom says simply taking her daughter's phone away isn't an option.
Sure, I thought about it. If you had teenagers, you would know that doesn't work. That's their whole social life, plus it's how you get in touch with them.
Experts say just 3% of adults have diagnosed cases of carpal tunnel syndrome. In teens, it's almost unheard of. But doctors say too much texting is becoming a textbook way to get it.
If you get tendinitis in the shoulder or in the wrist and the doctor say, well, don't do the activity, put it at rest, well, it's the same thing. You know, don't do the activity that's constantly causing the problem.
The kid with carpal tunnel is all the talk at school, but if Annie's friends are any indication, the lesson may have the longevity of a text message.
They're teenagers, so I think most people are going to be like, oh, I'm fine, but it's going to start happening.
I know it's a problem, so I may watch it, but I still text a lot, and I probably will still text.
As for Annie, she says she's cut the number of texts she sends a month in half.
Now you're down to
2,000.
Oh.
I know, it's not good enough, but I'm trying.
In Lincolnshire, Ben Bradley, ABC 7 News.